So now let's understand about global variable.
Yes.
Okay. So just think I have a function print data. Nothing. It's normal function. It will just do echo $x. And I'll just call it from here print data. So when I run this program, the call will go here. It will try to print $x. But tell me, what would be the output?
Nothing.
Why?
Because x variable is not assigned.
Yes, exactly. X is not assigned. Like if I could have written in this way, $x equal to 6, then I could get 6 output.
Yes.
But because there is no assignment here, nor I am sending through this parameter like argument list, this will give me a warning, undefined variable. Warning again. Okay. The code will not break, but I'll get a warning.
Yeah.
Fine. Now just think, I have a variable here, $x or anywhere, it doesn't matter. I am Iron Man. Okay. I have this variable here. Now what will happen?
Nothing.
Why?
Because it is inside a function, it is a local variable, so nothing.
Yes, that's the point. I am actually trying to access a variable $x thinking it's a local, but there is no initialization of the variable, and this is completely different.
Yes.
Perfectly caught. So I can only, this function can access only local variables or variables coming from here, from input, from this place. If I could have written $x here or here $x equal to 6, these are the two options. This can be accessed, right?
Yes.
But both the things are not happening. Then what if I want to access this? That is my requirement. I want to access this. Got it? But I am not going to send it this way. Understood? I am not going to send it using this argument list, or I am not going to define it here, but still I want to access that, which is outside. Then I will be using one keyword, global. I need to just define global $x. Then this value will be accessed. Now if I print this, then it will say I am Iron Man. Got it? Because here it is. Here I'll write I am Thanos. Okay?
Yes.
So you'll get many examples like this. I'm Marvel fan. So if I write I am Thanos, you'll get the output I am Thanos. Like whenever you call this function, whatever value is here, you'll get it here. If this one is declared as global. And this is very important thing, this one. Because there are situations, for example, maybe you'll be learning in other places like in future. Like there's something like like database stuff. Like I want to do some MySQL query. So basically what we are going to do is like we are going to connect the database, and we are going to store the connection in one variable. Like example, DB. It will have the connection. Okay, and just in this function, like there are many, we'll be writing many functions in future, and many functions need this connection to do the query. Okay, I can't connect every time. That's not a smart move. Like I want to do some database insert or do some database queries in one function. Like I might have hundreds of functions which might be doing hundreds of query interactions, like maybe insert, delete, all those things. But for each function, I can't write that connection code, connect to the database, all those things.
Yeah.
Instead, I will just connect outside somewhere and use it using global DB, and I'll use this variable
Oh.
to connect.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Make it easy. So that's the reason global keyword is used. Like, what is the other use? I'm not going to like print I'm Iron Man. That's just an example for you. But real example is this.
Okay.
Something, some variable or some data which you need, like this variable has the connection, means this contains the address of database.
Yes.
I'll use it here. So I have 100 functions. In every function, what I'll do, I'll just write global $db. Then use it in every function. Or so again, I am passing. That's also like cumbersome. It will be difficult. I might miss passing the value. Miss passing here. Like every function wherever you're calling, like just saying, I want to insert students. Okay. So I need to pass student data. Whatever data is. This is like insert student into the database. And I need to pass $db. Okay. Here I'll pass. So again, I might delete student. So again, student ID
Yes.
$db. Update. Okay, update student. Again, student data $db. Tell me one thing, which is easy? Passing db in each function is easy, or just write global db here and remove this requirement itself. So instead of passing two data, it will just pass one,
Yes.
which is easy. Global. Got it?
Yeah.
This is the purpose of global.
Yes.
To access a variable outside a function, which is very useful. Like we do this one. If you look at, I'll show my code. There are many things. Like if I want to log something, I'll create one of a variable which will contain the file address. I'll just use that one to log. Global, this thing. Then DB connections. Global, this thing. Understood?
Yes.
Is it clear? Difference between local and global. Now this is one of the most important questions in interview.
Okay.
What is the difference between local and global? What is the purpose? See, you can say easily difference.
Yeah.
Oh, local variable is a variable which is created inside a function and it is accessible within a function. You will say, okay, now they'll ask, if it is created inside a function, accessible within a function, how will you use that outside? So what will be your answer?
Return statement.
Return statement.
Yes.
Got it? The next question they'll ask, what is global? You'll say global variable is something I'll write in a function, I'll just declare it as global, then I can use it. Then what is the purpose? This is the answer.
Okay.
To make life easy, I'm using global. You can give the best example of DB connection.
DB. Okay.
Got it? DB is something, .db I'll store the connection data. I'll just use it, I can reuse it. You can give this example. Instead of like passing the $db again and again, I might have thousands of functions. If I'm building a real world project, I might have thousands of functions in thousands of different files. Again, 1,000 times I need to pass this $db.
Yes.
Which is better? Calling the global. That's it.
Yes.
This is the best thing about global and local. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Done.